Hi everyone! If you like soft steamed buns filled with saucy minced pork, then stay tuned. Today I'm making Jiang Rou Bao Zi. These little parcels of goodness are full of flavor and delicious at any time of the day. So let me show you how to make them from scratch. The first thing to do is to make the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine all-purpose flour with some sugar. Also add the dry yeast to lukewarm water and mix to dissolve. Then gradually add in the yeasty water to the flour mixture. Knead the dough until it comes together to form a shaggy ball. Let it rest for a few minutes so the gluten can relax, and then it will be easier to knead smooth. Cover and leave it to proof in a warm draft-free place for at least 1 hour. In the meantime, let's make the filling. You will need to start by finely chopping ginger, onions, and scallions. You will also need sweet bean sauce or 甜面酱, 郫县豆瓣 or fermented bropping chili paste, light soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, white pepper, and some salt. In a pan with some oil, stir-fry the minced pork for a few minutes. Add in ginger and onions. Stir-fry for a couple more minutes. Then in goes the sweet bean sauce and the 郫县豆瓣. Stir-fry to bring out the flavors, as well as the cooking wine, soy sauce, and white pepper. Stir-fry for another couple of minutes. Check for seasoning and add salt to taste. Then take it out of the pan. Once out of the pan, add the chopped scallions. Mix together and set it aside to cool down. After an hour or so, or when the dough has doubled in size, take it out and knead to deflate. Shape it into a long log and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Knead each piece into a smooth ball and then roll it out into a disc of about 10 centimeters in diameter. Try to roll it so it's thicker in the middle and thinner around the edges. Now fill it with as much filling as you can. I managed to put 3 heaping tablespoonfuls. Then hold the dough with the palm of one hand while starting to pleat the edges with the other hand. Turn it with the hand that's holding the bun as the other hand pleats. At the end, twist and pinch to close up the bun and give it that signature spiral shape. When all the buns are made, line each with some parchment paper to prevent it from sticking to the steamer and leave it to rise for a second time for at least 30 minutes. Then put it on the steamer and steam on high for 10 minutes. And there you have it, a flavor-packed steamed meat bun that you'll want to eat again and again. The exterior should be pillowy and light, and the interior is meaty and super savory. And don't worry if you can't eat all of them at once. Just freeze them and steam it again straight from the freezer the next time. They'll taste just as good. As always, check out my blog for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.